In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create cash cow videos in less than 5 minutes. Now this process, it's simple, it's easy, you don't have to be on camera yourself, you don't even have to talk, and if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you some awesome free pieces of software and I'll show you how you can actually make more money with, creating cash cow channels. Now, if you want some free resources for YouTube, just come over to my blog. It's called Not Taught at School. Click on YouTube and you can see on here, I share lots of resources on here for, making money on YouTube. We've got a cash cow blog article, views and lots more. So let's jump into this. So how do we create these sorts of videos, in less than 5 minutes without doing the usual process? And I'll very quickly show you what, if you want to go down this route is, you would go onto Google and you would type in free video footage. Now, but don't get me wrong, this process works, but it's very time consuming because what you need to do is you'd come over to a website like these ones over here, Pexels, Pixabay, VideoVive, and many more. And you'd type in a video that you want to create a topic around, and then you'd come over here, you'd download a bunch of these videos, you'd then take them over to a free video editor, you'd put those inside of the editor, and then you'd need to do your voiceover and lots more things. And look, this is very time consuming. There's a better way and a free way. So let me show you this now. So let me come out of here and let's go over here. So there's a link to this down below. It's absolutely free to get signed up with. And you come down here and inside of here, you just click on wide. Now, basically, you can use this software for a lot more things. You can use this for Instagram. You can use it for TikTok, Facebook. But what we're going to do is really quickly, we click on wide and then we come down here and look at the top here. You've got categories, so you can go into all of these different, themes and have a look at these. But if you just come down here, look, we've got intros, video ads, and lots more. But all I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on text to video. And then we've got over 50 different themes that we can use with this here. So text to video, we want it on a wide screen, which is perfect for YouTube. And then we scroll down and look, you've got all of these templates. Now these are templates, so you can edit them, however you want. And it's a simple process. So let's say we like the look of this one. I'm going to click on here. Okay, summer vibes, yeah, use this template. Now it's going to open up for us. Let me just pause that. We'll click on there. Now we've selected text to video, so basically we need to put some, as you can see here, we create text in here and then this software will do the whole video for us. So you've got a number of options. You can create, you can put in your own text, or if you want to speed up the whole process, you can do this. So we'll need this website over here and it's called Quillbot. Again, this is absolutely free. And basically this is AI software, and whatever we paste in here, it will rewrite it for us. So let's say for argument's sake, so let me close that, we were wanting to create a video, something like 10 luxury, I don't know, let's just go with 10 luxury items over, I don't know, let's just say 1 million. And then look, 20 most expensive things in the world. So I'm going to come into this article over here. I'm going to scroll down and literally all I'm doing is you're going to copy any part of this article. So I'm going to copy that like so. I'm going to go back into this Quillbot over here. I'm going to paste that into here. Go back and basically you just go through and get, everything from in here. But look, we'll go with this here. Yacht costs 4.5 million. And we'd go through and we'd get all of this information. We then bring that back over here and we paste that into Quillbot, which is free, by the way. And you'd go through and then you just click on paraphrase. And what this is going to do is it's now going to give you a unique piece of content over here. And you can see over here, Supreme Yacht History, So this is our new spun text. Okay, so I'm just going to take this over here. And now let me close that. And let me close this Quillbot as well. And we'll go back over to in video. So now we're going to go with the title, so 10 most expensive items, etc. And I'm doing this really quickly so this video is not too long for you. I'm going to paste that into there. So there's my text, and I'm going to click this box, auto suggest images / videos, and we click on next and it says, hey, that's too much for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it? Yes. Feel free. Okay. So click on next, and now it's going to create a video for us. And so far, I think you'll agree, this is simple, and we're using free software. We're not having to pay anyone over on Fiverr or Upwork to create these YouTube cash cow videos for us. So, at the minute, we'll just wait one more second, and now look. And this here is our video. Now, at this moment in time, what's happened here is the text over on the left-hand side, the AI inside of this software over here, it's gone through all of this here and it's brought in what it believes to be, an image or a video which is related to that text. Now, if you don't like any of the images in here or any of the videos like this one here, you can change this. So you see over on the left-hand side, you've got videos, images. You can even upload your own as well if you want. You just click on here. So we've got 10 most expensive items. So let's go and see if we can find, an image which is, better than this one, for example. So let's just type in the word luxury and see what comes up with that. And then I'm going to hit on enter. And then it's just going to go and find, look, now, so you can go through and have a look at this. So this looks pretty cool. So you see here it says drag to add. Let's put that here, like so. And now look at that. That slide has now changed. Pretty good. And then you can go down to the next one. And at this moment in time, don't worry about, the text in its, the positioning of this or anything, because we can change all of this around. So you can come through and have a look at the images and the videos and, change them. But then what we do is we click on the advanced editor. And now what it's going to do is it's going to give you some more options. So inside of here, you can see, so if I just drag this over here, how this video starts to look. So if I click on play, and this is kind of how it's looking at the minute. Now, it's always a little bit laggy inside of here, but once you download this, it's perfect. It's a perfect video for you. Now, inside of here, we've got many options. So we can go to the timeline and we can edit any of these. So like this scene here, for example, if I wanted to make this, a bit different, I could change this here. I could change the text in here. I could make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I can move it, wherever I want. If I don't want this logo, I click on there. Let me just get rid of that logo from there. And this is basically the process of how you do this. So now the text, you can see the text is a bit bigger. If I wanted to highlight a particular part, so the world's most expensive items, like so, I would click on there. And then it goes bold. But then again, I can change the colour of this if I want to. And yeah, just play around until your heart's content. You can play around with the font size. You can change, basically any part of this. You can change the positioning of this and lots more. Once you've done this and you've gone through this and you're happy with how this all looks, the next part is really simple. You've got two options. You've got voiceover. Now, inside of this software, there's automated text-to-speech. You can upload your own, but realistically, I'd say the best way is just click on record your own voice. But if you don't want to do that, you can click on automated text-to-speech. Then this loads up. And we have a few, different nationalities and accents over here. So you can see we've got Australian, German, Danish, Welsh, Chinese. Now, I don't know how good these other languages are because sadly I can only speak, a little bit speak English and understand. But there is many other options in here for you. So you'd click the one you want. So we'll just leave it on US English. And then you can go through and have a listen to some of these. So like, let's say Matthew, we click on there.
Hello. Hope you are having a great time making your video.
Hopefully you heard that. If not, I apologise, but you can check out, you can check out yourself. But if we wanted Matthew to, read the scripts for us, I would click on there and then generate voiceover. And then what's going to happen is it's going to take that AI voice and put it over the top of every video scene. So if we click on here, we can just hear a sample.
10 most expensive items.
And that there would be that scene done. And look, then if you want, you can see here, look, add automated voiceover for all scenes. You just click on there, and then again, you'd click on add voice to scenes, and it would go across them all. Now, realistically, the best method is just clicking on voiceover, and you record your own voice. And all it does is, it just goes onto each scene, and you just read whatever, whatever's in that scene there for you. And you just read it. But once you're happy with this, you can then, you see over here, we've got music. So if you want music, you can include it. If not, you can get rid of this. You can also play around with colors. Honestly, there's so many different cool things inside of this software. that you can, you know, overlay on top of any of these slides over here. So if I come back over here, you can see we can add headings, context. We've also got, you see, there's arrows on here. There's, you know, these little speed. Basically, there's thousands of different things that you can do in here. So if I just wanted that, for example, I click on there and it comes over into the scene for us. Look, and then I can drag this wherever I want. I can make it as big or as small as I like. I can also change the color of this, etc. So if I wanted that, let's just say if I wanted that in red, I'd click on change all, and then it just applies the color, and you can see it's changed over there. But this is a piece of software that you can use to create these really simple videos, and you know, they work well. There's channels on YouTube which are using this exact method. Now, once you've done this, you'd click on download and share, then you upload this video onto YouTube. Okay, so I think you'll agree it's a pretty straightforward process, and we're using this software here, which is free, and we also are using Quillbot, which is another free piece of software. So I'll put links to both of those below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. Now, the thing when it comes to creating cash cow channels, these are all done in the hope of, you know, each and every video taking off and getting, you know, hundreds and thousands of views, millions of views in lots of examples. But the simple thing about YouTube is you can make money from day one when you literally partner up or become an affiliate for different products. And there's hundreds of ways you can do this. It's not difficult, and it certainly isn't hard. You create a video like the process that we've gone over here, and then at the end of your video, you click, you say there's a link down below, go ahead and check this out. People, you know, depending on a category or a niche, you can find affiliate products. You put a simple link at the bottom. If anybody clicks on it, you can make some money from doing so. And look, if you want to learn more about that, look, here we go. I'll also drop a link down below for you. You can go ahead and check out this course over here. This is my course. It's called YouTube Passive Profits. Inside of here, I'll show you how to do all of this in a lot more detail. We go over the system, doing keyword research. You know, we cover the basics like creating a channel, uploading videos, creating videos. And then we don't just look at the software that we've seen today. We look at a number of ways. I also share with you money funnels, so how to actually earn money. We go over, you know, using things to give away and make money. We look at setting up an autoresponder, landing pages, and then more recently, I've added in other things, so how to rank a video on YouTube. And again, I'll walk you through this entire process, so I'll show you the results. After the results are in, we've also got now how to get your YouTube channel monetized in less than 2 weeks. So again, there's lots inside of here. So if you want to check out this course, please feel free. There is a link to this down below. But look, if you are going to be making, you know, attempting to make money on YouTube, you might as well go down the affiliate route and start earning money from day one instead of waiting, you know, months, even years for some people to become a YouTube partner, you know, become a YouTube partner and start running ads. But look, that's today's video. That's how you can create YouTube cash cow videos in less than a few minutes using free pieces of software. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.